Being a firefighter is just, it's something different every day. When you were in school and a fire truck came to school and got all excited about it, well, that's never left me. And I think every firefighter in this building would say the same thing, it's never left them. We get this massive fire at a quarry in Brantford. It's a rock granite quarry. This particular quarry also stores dynamite. When we got there, the workers were actually running away from the fire. Grabbed one of the workers, what's going on? And he says, we got a really big fire and it's close to the dynamite. But we're not going to put firefighters up there to go see, use them as canaries, so to speak. And the first thought I had was Peter and his drone.
When I got there, the area had already been evacuated and cordoned off. I accompanied the assistant chief relatively close to the quarry so that I could take off with the Phantom and overfly the quarry, point the camera downward, and get a bird's eye view of what was going on inside the quarry.
What the drone allowed us to do is we could actually see where the fire is, the size of the fire, what's burning, and its relationship in terms of distance to the 5 storage magazines. We came up with our strategy in terms of what we want to do, and our tactics is how we want to do it.
We were able to determine that the fire was still far enough away that we could in fact send a fire truck up there and extinguish the fire. Unbeknownst to me, a major fire trade magazine got a hold of the story.
I received calls and emails from all over the country and even outside the country asking me what I flew, how I did it, what it was like. It was interview after interview. It made nationwide news.
I literally get a call or two a week from a fire chief, a training officer from all over the country wanting to know how we did it, how they can do it. I believe they should be on every fire truck, absolutely. Our goal on just about everything we do is firefighter safety and the safety of the citizens. Any tool that we can use that enhances that, we grab onto and use.
DJI's products are a perfect fit for emergency services, whether it be fire departments, search and rescue teams, or what have you. They are a perfect fit for any of a number of jobs, many of which we've not even contemplated yet.
If they did not have access to the drone, that fire probably would have burned well into the night, if not the next day, and people would have been out of their homes. You know, we really credit that tiny little camera and that tiny little machine that helped us see that fire and be able to put that fire out.